Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottenden from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 356, and we had an interesting question posted in the FA community recently, which, if you are not a part of that group, you should definitely join us. The link is below. So a friend of mine posted this, and she writes, "Need advice. While doing some event photography for a friend, who I am charging, I ran into some old friends with adorable toddler grandchildren. I shot some candids of them that turned out great. They didn't ask for my service. I just couldn't not take their pic. They were so cute. I would like to offer them to them via email, but feel awkward charging since they did not ask. Yet I don't want to give away my service, especially since I charged my friend. Has anyone been in this situation, and do you have advice?" Okay, so she said, I would like to offer them the photos via email but feel awkward charging. Yes, as you should, because you cannot ever charge someone who did not hire you for your services. So no, you can't charge them. But the question is, what do you do in a situation like this? So you took some photos because the kids were cute. You know what? I do it all the time. If I see cute kids or I'm with friends at some event, I take their photos. If I have enough, I will throw them into a pixie set gallery, send them a link for the gallery, and call it a day. I edit it extremely quickly. I don't spend a lot of time, but the photos are nice. I send them the photos. This happens all the time. But no, I would never, ever suggest that someone charge, or you say, "Oh yeah, I took some photos, but you didn't hire me. Could you pay me?" No, I mean, that's not, she knew that she couldn't do that. So don't freak out. That's not what she thought. But what she was really asking was, okay, if I send them these photos when I was at this shoot being paid to do something else, how would that friend feel about that? Now, I would say you have to be careful about ethics and integrity in situations like this where you are being paid to do a job. If these people are attending the event that you're at and you capture them as part of the event, then obviously they would see those in the event photos. To provide them a separate gallery is borderline, oh, I'm not sure if I should be doing that because I was paid by this client, but I wouldn't overthink it. You got some cute photos, you put them in a gallery or you Dropbox them the files, no big deal. They'll be so happy and so appreciative. But to answer the question of the video, no, you can't charge somebody who didn't hire you. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.